Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn English through 3 short real-life conversations. Listen carefully and try to understand. Let's begin.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from France.
Oh, nice. Where do you live?
I live in Paris.
That's a beautiful city.
Yes, I like it very much.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like it a lot.
Is English easy or difficult?
It is a little difficult, but I practice every day.
That's very good. Practice is important.
Yes, I want to speak English well.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and listen to music.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you watch movies in English?
Yes, sometimes.
That's a good way to learn English.
Yes, I learn new words.
Do you read books in English?
Not often, but I try.
Reading is very helpful.
Yes, I want to improve my English.